Okay, so there is a question from Guru. If I build a strong foundation in CCNA and networking and work as a network engineer for 1 year to 2 years, will it help me to build a strong career in cybersecurity later? Yes, see, first understand one point. For cybersecurity, networking is very much important. Networking and Linux is very much important. But right now you're talking about networking. So yes, CCNA is going to help you a lot, and that is going to help you all the time. Because see, CCNA is having a global standard, right? Cisco Certified Network Associate. If you can do CCNP as well, Cisco Certified Network Professional, and that is going to add a lot of weightage in your certificate. This is not alone going to give you a job, but like if you do CCNP, then probably you are good fit for the network associate or some similar kind of people who can do some troubleshooting. Sometimes you may get some sort of job which is related to network pen testing as well, but you need some more detail, and you more need some more skills, right? But yes, CCNA is going to add a lot of value in your certificate. That's like compulsory kind of thing, right? There are a couple of things which is compulsory in the industry. If you have money or something, then you can invest on CCNA. That is something which is always going to add a lot of value in your certificate, right?